kita akan adakan remedial for some students. Okay? For today, Miss Anggi will going to tell you about very interesting material, materi yang sangat menarik. Mungkin sudah sempat Miss jelaskan juga in the last meeting. Masih ingat? Do you still remember what the material? Masih? Oke. Apa yang kita pelajari di minggu lalu? Ya, simple past tense. Ya, sebelum kita masuk kepada cerita recount on your LKS, kita perkuat dulu basicnya, yaitu adalah penggunaan simple past tense-nya dulu. Ya. Nah, sekarang Miss Anggi mau tanya, kenapa kita perlu pelajari simple past tense dan konteks nantinya? Ada yang tahu? Ya, ada yang tahu? Ayo. Nah, simple past tense itu adalah kalimat lampau. Why do we need to learn that? Kenapa kita perlu belajar itu? Supaya apa? Ya, seperti Zahira, untuk memberikan informasi yang sudah berlalu tentunya ya. Good, very good. Ada lagi punya pendapat lain? Do you have another opinion? Selain memberikan informasi, apa yang bisa menjadi tujuan dari pembelajaran past tense ini? Ayo, the boys mungkin ada? Untuk apa? Yes, Angel. Untuk menceritakan, betul, untuk menceritakan cerita atau kalimat ya, kegiatan yang sudah berlalu. For example, contohnya kemarin Miss Anggi berbelanja ke pasar. Yesterday, I berbelanja. Iya, I shop pakai ed tentunya ya. I shop to the market. Iya, itu dia. Jadi Miss Anggi memberikan apa? Informasi, walaupun informasinya sudah pas, sudah berlalu. Oke, paham ya? Oke, kita ulangi tipis-tipis karena kemarin kita sudah belajar. So for today, Miss Anggi ulangi lebih sedikit, ya. Nah, kita lanjut dulu. Miss Anggi akan putarkan video. I am going to show you a video. Tapi sebelum itu Miss Anggi ada pertanyaan. So I have a question. Guys, apakah kalian memiliki sebuah pengalaman yang tidak terlupakan? Do you have an unforgettable moment in your life? Punya? Punya atau tidak? Laki-lakinya pada diam ini. Ayo, laki-laki, kalian punya pengalaman yang tidak terlupakan tidak? Punya. Oke, kalau the girls? Punya tentunya ya. All of the people atau all of the students in here having their unforgettable moment. Contohnya, ada yang bisa memberi contoh nih dalam bahasa Indonesia dulu deh. Pengalaman apa sih yang kalian punya atau kalian miliki dan tidak bisa kalian lupakan? Yes, Aurel. Oke, so Aurel pergi ke kebun binatang dengan keluarganya. Itu pengalaman yang tidak terlupakan. The others ada? Yes, Jaga. Pengalaman pernah bermimpi buruk. Oke. Nah, dari dua contoh yang sudah diberikan oleh your friends, Aurel merupakan pengalaman yang happy, ya. Jadi unforgettable moment atau unforgettable experience yang sifatnya bahagia atau happy. Kalau Jaga yang bad ya, yang kurang baik gitu ya. Misalnya contoh jatuh dari sepeda, terluka, dan yang lain sebagainya. Itu pengalaman yang buruk. Worst experience. Kalau yang baik, good experience atau best experience. Sudah paham? Okay. I am going to play the video on the TV. We are going to watch together. After that, Andi akan tanya lagi. Oke, jadi silakan kalian simak videonya. So this is the video about a memorable experience.
Wow, such an enjoyable day, right?
Yeah, I was so happy there. What's about you? What do you do during your vacation?
It was terrible. I got sick on vacation, so I just stayed at home.
Oh, sorry to hear that, Randy.
It's okay now. Thank you, Ila.
My pleasure, Randy.
Oke, disulang lagi sekali ya, karena tadi sepertinya terpotong. So I will replay again. Ini dia dari awal.
This story, Neelam and Randy will tell about their memorable experiences during the vacation. Let's check it out. And happy watching.
By the way, how about your vacation a week ago?
It was so amazing. I went to my grandparents' house with my family.
Really? That was great. What did you do there?
Yep, in the morning, I cooked a traditional cake with my grandma. Then, my grandpa invited me to go fishing at the river near his house.
Wow, such an enjoyable day, right?
Yeah, I was so happy there. What's about you? What do you do during your vacation?
It was terrible. I got sick on vacation, so I just stayed at home.
Oh, sorry to hear that, Randy.
It's okay now. Thank you, Ila.
My pleasure, Randy.
Oke, itulah dia contoh videonya. That's the video from Nilam and Randy. Ya. Nah, sekarang Misaki mau bertanya. What is Mr. Randy and Miss Nilam talking about at the video? Kira-kira dia sedang membicarakan apa? Ya, sedang membicarakan apa? Mr. Randy and Miss Nilam? Guys, jaga Dita. A vacation? Oke, ada pendapat yang lain selain vacation? Vacation benar. Yes, Nilam? Iya, experience during the vacation, experience during the holiday. Ya, jadi both of them, Miss Nilam and Mr. Randy, are having holiday. Jadi mereka cerita yang Miss Nilam ngapain, yang Mr. Randy ngapain. Oke. Kira-kira kalian masih ingat what did Miss Nilam do during vacation? Apa yang Miss Nilam lakukan during vacation? Yes, you get that. Cooking traditional food. Oke. Ada lagi yang lain? Apa kalian perlu menonton videonya lagi? Oh yes. Make a cake. Okay, thank you Mr. Alano ya. Make a cake in her grandparents house. Jadi dia buat kue di rumah kakek neneknya seperti itu. And what did Mr. Randy do during the vacation? Nina Zahira? Iya, dia sakit, he got sick. So that he just stay at home. Oke. Kira-kira kalian sudah bisa mengingat belum liburan kemarin kalian ngapain? Liburan 1 bulan yang panjang itu, apa yang kalian lakukan? Yes, please digantikan latihan buat perform. Oke. Yang lainnya? Yes? Just stay at home, Miss Aurel. Just stay at home. Kalau Bagastia, kamu ngapain pas liburan full kenaikan kelas kemarin? What did you do?
Just stay at home like always.
Just stay at home like always. The other, Rifki mungkin, what did you do when the holidays coming? Yang semester lalu, apakah pulang ke Jawa, Budi? Atau stay at home? Stay at home. Oke. Ya, berarti semuanya sudah paham ya tentang your unforgettable experience. Kalau unforgettable experience-nya Mr. Randi, dia tidak kemana-mana karena sakit. Ya. Kalau unforgettable experience-nya Miss Nila, dia pergi memasak ke rumah kakek nenek. Oke? Nah, sekarang saya mau play lagi sekali. Kita lihat penggunaan kalimatnya. Nah, bagaimanakah penggunaan kalimat dalam video ini? Dapat disimak, kita identifikasi.
This story, Neelam and Randy will tell about their memorable experiences during the vacation. Let's check it out. And happy watching.
By the way, how about your vacation weekend? No.
It was so amazing.
It was so amazing. Nah, ada kata it was so amazing. Kira-kira ini kalimat apa, Nah? Do you know what sentence is this? Yes, past tense. Betul. Past tense. Dan past tense-nya itu past tense verba atau nominal sentence? Good, very good. Nominal sentence. Ya, tahu dari mana? Yes, jangan lupa kalau ada was dan juga were itu was ya masuk ke nominal sentence. Ya, good, very good.
They. I went to my grandparents' house.
I went to my grandparents' house. Kalau yang ini simple past tense dalam bentuk apa? Yes, Miss Aurel. Fair banget. Ciri-cirinya masih ingat? Ada apa? Ada kata kerjanya, right? Kalau di sini, what is the first? When. Ya, verb 2 dari kata go yang artinya pergi. Jadi when.
Really?
Kalau ini, that was great. Kenapa ini tidak bisa di? That was great. Mamina, sentence. Karena ada good, very good. That was great.
That was great.
Kalau ini, what did you do? What did you do? Ya, simple past, verba sentence dengan bentuk kalimat bertanya. What did she do? Kata kerja yang pakai di sini kalian tahu? What is the verb that is used here? Ya, did, betul. Ya. What did she do?
What did you do there?
What did you do there?
Yep, in the morning, I cooked a traditional cake with my grandma.
I cook traditional. I cook traditional cake. Miss tidak menulis lengkap ya, hanya segini saja. It's okay ya. So, what is simple past tense types? Apakah verba atau nominal? Wow. Tahu dari mana? How do you know? Is it verba? Jangan lupa dia pakai kata kerja ini, right? Ya. Kemudian satu lagi, I am going to give example.
Then, my grandpa invited me to go fishing at the river near his house.
Ya. Kemudian kalau kalimat yang tadi, my grandpa invited me to go fishing near his house. Kalau yang itu kalimat apa? Ya, verba dengan verbnya invited. What is invited in bahasa? Ajak, mengundang, ya. Oke.
Wow. Such an enjoyable day, right?
Yeah, I was so happy there.
I was so happy there. Kalimat apa itu? Yes, good job. Jangan lupa kalau ada was dan verb. Oh, kalimat I was so happy there. Jadi ini yang membedakan. Semoga kalian bisa lebih paham lagi, lebih ingat lagi saat nanti menulis your own story, karena kita akan membuat cerita tapi tidak hari ini membuatnya, kita mungkin akan membuatnya besok. It's okay. In the next meeting maksudnya Miss ya. Hari ini kita akan mengenal dulu kata kerja, kemudian kalian bisa menggunakan kalimat verba dan juga kalimat itu dulu tadi ya. Oke. Bagaimana for this example? Apakah ada pertanyaan? Do you have questions? Tidak? Oke. Kalau tidak, can we move to the exercise? example. Gimana cara mengerjakannya? Can you see the reading text on the TV? Bisa? Oke, atau Mas Regi perlu buat lebih besar? Tulisannya? Perlu? Oke, so I will make it bigger so that you can see it clear. Kayak segini ya. Oke, silakan dibaca dulu dalam hati. And then after that, Miss Andi akan minta tolong kalian untuk baca. One of you, maybe two of you, so you can read it. Yeah. Oh, sorry. What happened to the TV? Jadi dia tidak boleh digeser ya, for the capital. Ya, silakan. Okay, have you finished reading the text?
Yes.
Sudah selesai baca teksnya? Oke. Santi minta tolong ya, for one of you, one girl and also one boys to read the text. Mungkin dari girl dulu. Siapa yang mau? Who wants to read the text? Maybe the others? Yeah. Risha, maybe? Do you want to help me? No? Okay. Amel, maybe? Do you want to help me? Okay, the others? Aurel? Okay. Aurel, please read the text with a clear voice. Yeah? Hey. Okay, thank you, Aurel. Very good. Very good reading. The others? The boys, maybe? Yes, Irfan. Silakan. Your turn.
I became very good. As a player, I visited a beautiful with my coach. We started our trip early in the morning. The ground was warm but peaceful. Along the way, I saw flowers, trees, a small river. When we arrived, the sound of the falling water was caught us. I took several photos of the clear blue pool.
Okay.
I contemplated the rocks of the pool. We swam together in the cold water. After we entered a sandwich near a large stone. The fresh air made me feel relaxed. Before going home, we walked somewhere else back. It was an unforgettable day.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Irfan. Very good. One more, maybe. Ayuda, do you want to read the text? No?
last Saturday.
Ya, oke. Judul dulu ya, don't forget to read the title.
My weekend trip to the waterfall.
Ya.
Last Saturday, I visited.
Wow, kenapa dia? Oke, sorry. Oh. Ayo kita ulangi lagi, Mr. Bagastia.
Last Saturday, I visited a beautiful waterfall with my cousin. We started our trip early in the morning. The road was long and peaceful. Along the way, I saw palm trees and small rivers. When we arrived, the sound of the falling water welcomed us. I took several photos of the blue water. Wow. The blue wood. My cousin climbed the rock carefully. We swam together in the cold water. After swimming, we enjoyed sandwich near a large stone. The fresh air made me feel relaxed. Before going home, we bought some local snacks. It was unforgettable weekend.
Wow, good job. Great, thank you. Ya, dari 4 contoh yang teman-teman sudah berikan, teman-teman yang sudah berikan, sudah baca, masih ada beberapa pronunciation yang error. Nah, pronunciation itu apa? Pengucapan kata yang kurang tepat, ya, sedikit melenceng, ya. So, Miss Andi akan contohkan, misalnya akan baca, then you are going to follow me. Okay? I will read the text. You are going to follow me. Yeah? Okay. Let's start with the title. My weekend trip to the waterfall.
My weekend trip to the waterfall.
Last Saturday, I visited a beautiful waterfall with my cousins.
I visited a beautiful waterfall with my cousins.
Cousins. Yeah. We started our trip early in the morning.
We started our trip early in the morning.
The road was long but peaceful.
The road was long but peaceful.
Along the way,
Along the way,
I saw tall trees and small rivers.
I saw tall trees and small rivers.
When we arrived,
When we arrived,
the sound of the falling water welcomed us.
The
sound of the falling water welcomed us.
I took several photos of the clear blue pool.
I took several photos of the clear blue pool.
My cousins climbed the rock carefully.
My cousins climbed the rock carefully.
We swam together in the cool water.
We swam together in the cool water.
After swimming,
After swimming,
we enjoyed sandwiches near a large stone.
we enjoyed sandwiches near the stone.
Stone. Yeah. The fresh air made me feel relaxed.
The fresh air made me feel relaxed.
Before going home,
Before going home,
we bought some local snacks.
we bought some local snacks.
It was an unforgettable weekend trip.
It was an unforgettable weekend trip.
Ya, itu dia pengucapannya. Ya, cousins, not cousins. Cousins, okay? But it's okay. Nah, baik. Kemudian after reading the text, saya mau tanya, how many verbs 2 ya, that you can find on the text? Berapa kata kerja bentuk kedua? kata
Visit.
yang artinya
Datang.
oke, mengunjungi ya, atau mengajak atau mengunjungi. Ya, bukan mengajak ya, tapi mengunjungi ya. Kemudian we started our trip early in the morning. Started, good job. Kata kerja bentuk kedua dari kata yang artinya yeah. The road was long but peaceful. Did you find verb there? No. Okay, kita lewati. Along the way, I saw tall trees and small rivers. Yes. Kata kerja bentuk kedua dari see, yang artinya
Lihat.
good. Kemudian when we arrived, ada arrive, betul. Apa arti dari kata arrive itu?
Sampai.
Iya, sampai. Betul ya. The sound of the falling water welcome us. Welcome ini di sini artinya adalah menyambut, betul. Welcome us ya. Menyambut kedatangan kita. Kemudian I took several photos. Yeah. Verb satu dari kata took. Mengambil, good job. Kemudian my cousins climbed the rocks carefully. Yeah. What is climb means in bahasa Indonesia?
Manjat.
Climb. Jadi memanjat, betul. Kemudian we slept together in the good water. Yeah, swam. Artinya berenang. And then after swimming, apakah itu berdua? Ya, good. We enjoyed sandwiches.
Enjoy.
Betul. What is enjoy means in bahasa? Menikmati. The fresh air made me feel relaxed.
Relax.
Jawabannya make, ya. Kemudian before going home, we bought some local snacks.
Oh.
Yeah. We bought some local snacks. Yeah. Okay. So there are 11 verbs. Ada 11 yang bisa kalian lakukan. Gimana? Sudah? Sudah bisa menemukannya, mengidentifikasinya? Okay. Are you ready for the exercise? Yes. You have to be ready, right? Exercise-nya akan dikerjakan dengan grup. Jadi kalian akan bersama dengan grup. Silahkan cari grupnya dulu. Bertiga saja. Yang terakhir berarti berempat. It's okay. Ya. 3, 1, 2, 3. Irfan, Alano, dan Bagastia. And then Halo, Ega, Rian, Rizky. And then Jaga Dita, Neola, dan Zahira. And then Aurel, Amel, dan Cinta. And then the last one is berempat. Ya. Ini berbeda teksnya dari yang oh, atau kalian mau berdua-berdua, I have something sebagai satu. Ya, oke. Nah, untuk jawabannya, ya. Tidak. You have to write down. Jadi untuk pertanyaan yang pertama itu sudah Miss jawab. Ini jawabannya. Nah, kalian nanti jawabnya seperti ini. Okay? Kemudian untuk jawaban yang kedua kata sifat. Ya. Kebingungan dengan vernya? Ya. Berapa sudah memesan? How many verbs? Ini sudah. Terus? Ini sudah. Iya. are going to discuss atau berdiskusi. Kita hidupkan dulu bel laptop. Okay. The title is My First Day in the Science Club. Baik, Miss mau undang dulu anak-anak Miss yang lain untuk membaca. Maybe Angel, do you want to help me? Silakan Angel.
My first day in the science club. Yesterday, I learned the science school science club for the first time. I felt excited until I learned it. The teacher introduced me to the members of the team. He sat in a circle and talked about the school's experience. I shared my experience on the web. One of my friends was a small robot. The teacher explained the schedule for the show. We watched the video and saw the movie. I took notes and saw some experiments. After the video, I discussed ideas with two classmates. They invited me to the lunch box. It was a great feeling in the science school.
Okay, great. Thank you. One more. The boys. Alano, please, do you want to read? Okay. Silakan Alano. Ya. Okay. Okay. Beginning. Okay. Thank you, Mr. Alano. Very good. Ya, baik. Seperti biasa, I am going to read the text and then you will follow after me supaya bisa kita meminimalisir salah-salah pengucapannya. Jadi misalkan contohkan. Start from the title. My first day in the science club.
My first day in the science club.
Yesterday, I joined the school science club for the first time. I felt excited, but also a little nervous. The teacher introduced several new members, we sat in a circle and talked about simple experiments. I shared my interest in astronomy. One of my friends showed a small robot he made. The teacher explained the schedule for next month. We watched a video about solar energy. I took notes in my science notebook. After the meeting, I discussed ideas with two classmates. They invited me to work on a project together. It was a great beginning for my science journey. berikan kesempatan untuk kalian menjawab nomor 1. Silakan yang mau maju ke depan, silakan ditulis verb apa yang kalian temukan. Satu orang satu saja, masing-masing satu ya. This is the marker, and then you can really write the way. Ini lagi mencari penghapus papan dulu. Oke. Silakan yang mau maju, raise up your hands first. Okay, start from Ayuda. Silakan. Ayuda nomor 1. Then Amel yang kedua, yang ketiga Neola. Others, yes, Zahira, Aurel, and Amel and Pristia. Sisanya Kirpa. Oke. Kita lihat. Satu saja menulis kata kerja apa yang sudah ditemukan dalam teks tersebut. Ayuda, Amel, Zahira, Aurel, kemudian Amel, Sri, Joe, Sri, and last one is Kirpa. Oke, ada lagi. Is there any verse yang tersisa di situ? Sudah semua ya? Oke. While I will show you the answer yang benar. Jadi the words that I already highlight, kata kerja yang sudah Miss Anggi highlight di laptop berwarna oranye, itu adalah jawabannya. Number 1, join. Number 2, felt. Number 3, introduce. Number 4, sat. Talk. Share. Kemudian show. Made, sorry kelewatan. Ya. Made. Explain. Watch. Took. Discuss. Discuss. Iya. Invite. Nah, itu dia. Ada berapa itu totalnya? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Kurang lebih 13. 13 kata kerja. Yang belum menemukan, silakan ditulis. Silakan ditulis dulu jawabannya. Jadi ini udah semua, right? Oke. How about this? Nah, apakah kalian sudah menemukan ini? Oke. Berapa kalimat nomina yang bisa kalian temukan? 1. Ya, jawabannya 1. Berarti sisanya adalah kalimat verba. Yang mana kalimat nomina? Which one is nomina sentence in the text? Yang paling bawah. Yang ini saja. Yang ini saja ya, hanya 1. I will highlight with kok sama warnanya. I will highlight it with the other colors. This one. Nah. Berarti sisanya dari awal sampai dengan they invited me to project ada project together adalah kalimat verba. Sudah menemukan seperti itu jawabannya? Oke. The boys, sudah? Okay. Is there any question for this exercise? Ada pertanyaan untuk exercise ini? Oke. Hopefully, Miss Sarah, kalian sudah bisa membedakan dulu yang mana kalimat verba, yang mana kalimat nomina. Kalian juga bisa melihat bagaimana sebuah pengalaman itu diceritakan. Ini kan sebuah pengalaman ya, karena harapannya kalian bisa membuat your own unforgettable experience selanjutnya in the next meeting. Okay? Ada pertanyaan? Do you have any questions so far? Everything is clear? Okay. Ini sudah penutup untuk kegiatan belajar kita hari ini. So I have games for you. Ya, kita akan bermain games. Kalau nggak ada pertanyaan, Miss tunggu dulu deh 1 menit. I will wait 1 minute for the question. Kalau memang nggak ada, baru kita akan bermain the games. Silakan. Yang mau bertanya jangan malu-malu. We will play look, think, and write. You have to look, you have to think, you have to write. Nah, itu dia yang akan kita mainkan. Sudah 1 menit ini belum ya, sebenarnya ya. Oke. Baik, kalau ada pertanyaan, so you can tidy up your table, tidy up your stuff. Tidak perlu ada pulpen because you are going to write down on the whiteboard. So, are you ready for playing the game, everyone? Yes. Okay. So, in here, Miss Anggi punya berbagai macam picture. So, this picture is related to your activity. Ya, gambar ini itu tentang aktivitas kalian tentunya ya. Kalian bisa menebak dulu kira-kira aktivitas apa ini. Kemudian kalian akan memikirkan kalimatnya. First, you have to look the picture. Sebelah sini belum lihat ya. You have to look the picture, and then you think the sentence karena kalian akan buat kalimat. And then after that, you will write your sentence on the whiteboard. Clear?
Clear.
Mama lihat dulu gambarnya. Kemudian setelah melihat, berpikir kalimatnya. Ya, kalimat apa yang bisa dibuat dari gambar ini? Oke? Kemudian yang ketiga, menulis kalimatnya di papan. Kalau kalimatnya sudah benar, you are able to have free time. Ya, jadi nggak perlu menjawab lagi. Oke? You also got the point. You also got the point, okay? Gimana sudah? Oke. Mungkin saya acak dulu ya. This one is for you. The first picture is this. This picture. Ya. Kira-kira gambar apa ini? Oh ya, Miss lupa memberikan tambahan instruksi. Buatlah kalimat dalam simple past tense karena kita belajar past tense hari ini. Ya, ini dia gambarnya. Raise your hands up if you already have an ideas. Angkat tangan kalau udah punya ide. Ini kira-kira orang apa ini ya? Iya, boleh. Orang belajar boleh.
Mengajar.
Mengajar. Mengajar ya, mungkin belajar aja ya. Silakan. Yes, Dekarita, come here. Please write down your sentence. Ya. Ya, oke. Lanjut tuh. Okay. Yesterday I studied and I spoke. Benar atau tidak? Yeah. Correct or not? Correct. Thank you, Daga. Yay, good job. Daganita, you get point. Yeah. Number 2. This one. Yeah. You know, the activity is sleep. Tapi pikirkan juga perbuatannya dari sleep apa? choose yang mana saja, both of them. You can choose both of them. Ayo, yang laki-laki, bagaimana ini? Ayo, kalian pasti bisa. Coba dulu, maju. The others. Yes, Angel. Angel, please. Setelah ini tantangannya untuk yang laki-laki ya. Dari tadi gue paling maju nih. Bisa dia akan menantang nih. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 students. 6 boy students here. Okay, yesterday she ran, dibaca ran, run, ran, run. Itu dia. She ran a marathon. Okay, thank you Angel, very good. I challenge the boy. This one, very easy. Nih. Ayo, mengendarai sepeda. Ayo, boys, can you think the sentence? Bisa memikirkan kalimatnya nggak? Oke, kita kasih kata kunci ya. Kita kasih the clue. Kata kerjanya berawalan dari huruf R. Ya. Ini ada gambar orang sedang minum air. Okay, yesterday I drank. Benar atau tidak? Yes. Correct. Jadi ini dia your own sentences. Miss akan garis bawahi yang perlu diperbaiki. Dimanapun ada kata I, tolong gunakan huruf besar. I ikut di sini sebagai subjek. It should be capitalized atau pakai huruf besar ya. Walaupun dia di tengah-tengah seperti ini. Okay, that's all.